Hi, I'm Margaret,
I'm Marie.
and this is Pikachu.
Our channel is called Two Girls and
A
guess
bird.
what? A bird. So we're trying. What we do is we are makers, and it includes a lot of science. So this is what we're trying to introduce. This is not a tutorial. This is more illustrative. We do 3D printing,
Woodworking,
electronics, mechanics, electromechanics, and some auto mechanics, whatever. We do computer hardware.
we do software and networking. I'm not allowed to curse.
No, we're not. This is a family channel. We do this because we have a number of skills, and we like to share these skills with others who may think that they can't do the things that they would be able to do.
We're smart people. We can fix this.
And that's our motto. Pikachu is our shop helper.
So if you have any comments, questions, you can email us. You can leave comments. You can even call our voicemail or mail us with snail mail. We love constructive criticism. Just be cool, because we're not mean and we don't like mean people.
Yeah, mean people suck. Also, our ham radio operators, which means that we're gonna start producing videos that are related to radio, and we even going to be constructed not too far in the future a radio telescope plus an optical observatory. Cover just about everything. In fact, if you look at our videos, you'll see that we even have cooking videos. So a little bit for everybody, and click on our videos. Check them out. We have about 50 videos so far, and we're gonna continue making more. And what else do you have?
Just like us, share us, comment, and watch our stuff.
So I'll see you in our videos.
That's it.
That's it.